roads. All-time favourite movie line. This is super exciting. This is the first time this year we've got this far. We knew there was a spot that we wanted to fish from many years ago, but we just had to make a new track to get here. Cool. Almost there. Crocodile or fish? Barra? Righty. Oh, cool. Oh, yep. Yeah, lots of crocs. Yep. Dogs stay here. Dogs stay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Cool. Sweet, this is perfect. John's going to go for a walk around the other side and fly fish from the other side. So he's just bringing the car around so me and dogs can stay here. High bank, keep the dogs away from the water because there's definitely crocodile slides over the other side there on the sand. So I'll just get John to come straight in here and we can sit in the shade. I haven't even set up the camera yet. Johnno's walked just at very first cast at the start, caught a baby tarpon. Good start, Johnno.
Few years since we got to this spot. See, don't know what's here. There's a little water hole. A few good snags, a few crocs. Big steep bank. See if I can get down there without breaking my neck. Oh, another good water hole over there. I'll try that on the way back. Oh, how am I going to get back up? Don't worry about that later. Look at that fella. Gold barney. They like it. What have we got? Little tarpon.
We got no drone, it fell out of the sky the other day, so back to recording on the Canon. Johnno's just around the corner there catching some little tarpon. We're sitting in the shade, eh dogs? Yeah. Beautiful. Beautifully done.
Oh, tarpon, but no barra.
Last time we were here, mind you, I'm talking 6 or 7 years ago, we could see the little barramundi in these snags, and hence why we've been trying to get back here. And this is the first time we've found a way through this year, but no barra. So we're going to go exploring. Right where we pulled up is some Thai basil or something of the sorts. Oh, it smells so delicious. What a beautiful place. We're being very careful. Oh, it smells beautiful, fresh water smell. Johnno's way down there, so he's obviously catching some fish. So we're just parked up there. Seen the crocodile over here, so be careful, you dogs. He's bigger than you. Let's go and see if we can find him. Find the croc? Here's croc. So this is where the crocodile was sitting. Right, stop! Charlie! Such a little bit of water for him to go back in and then just disappear. We'll stay in the shallows. Obviously John's doing alright down there. Wow! Wow, what a pretty stretch of river. It's pretty deep just there, but it's okay from up here I can see. With my Polaroids glasses on that there's nothing in the water all around them. Wow, what a beautiful looking stretch of the river. Good boy. Come on. Come on. It's not always about the big fish. We didn't think we were going to catch a big fish. We did think we were going to catch some fish. John did catch some fish. But it was all about the exploring, and today especially John's had that sight in the back of his mind for some time, trying to get back there. It's been 6 years since we've found a way through because the track's all grown over. But we found it, and some footage from 6 years ago, and I'll show you why we wanted to go there. Yes, it was lovely afternoon driving around the wild Kimberley baobab trees.
Minimal.
Oh no, yeah, they're all gone. We've driven through, I missed the baobab fields.
It's not like, what was it, 6 months ago? This was a metre underwater.
Exactly, this was,
all the way across here.
Maybe I'll put some of that footage on as well. These are the floodplains that were flooded and we were swimming on, so I'll put a link up here of when we were swimming on the Give River Road. And we're in July now, so things are starting to dry out again.